Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a tutorial on this eye look you are seeing now. I hope you like it. I thought I filmed an intro, but I didn't. So here you go. Enjoy! Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is take these two concealers and use them as my base for my eyelids so I can put my eyeshadow on top. Alright, so I'm just going to take this Luxie Airbrush Concealer brush. It is, what number? 733, and I'm just gonna coat my brush and then just go in with it and on my lid, just conceal, and I'm just gonna pat it. Okay, don't drag it, just pat it. Alright, so another thing, I'm gonna take this brush right here, it's just a brush similar to this, and then I'm gonna go really close into my eyebrow and just like line it up. Just keep blending it. Just like that. And I'm gonna do the same thing on this other eye. Like, honestly, I don't even try no more. Look at those eyebrows. They're so freaking uneven. I don't even try. I don't even care anymore. Oh my gosh. I'm just waiting to like go get them done and even them out because they really messed them up. All these different people that have done my eyebrows, like one's higher than the other one. How is that even possible? Is that even possible, guys? Let me know. Taking the shade Elfish, I'm just gonna pack that onto my crease. Just pack it slowly, don't like brush it, just like pack it, like tap the brush into your crease just until you have enough pigment all over your crease, just like this. Back into that same palette, which is the Dream Street palette, I'm going to go into the shade Potion. Did out with that shade, but I'm just gonna tap it alongside, like I'm just gonna tap it, oh shit, just like that. Going back into that brown shade, just blend it up. These techniques I've actually learned from Rocio Saha. Or Cervantes, I think that's her last name. I'm not really sure. But she's a very talented, and she has really inspired me to go out of my comfort zone with color more and just like, I don't know, experiment more. And I'm really excited because I did a look last night and I loved it. I used Rocio's techniques for blending out color, and then the eye look was inspired by Stacey Marie Imue. I think she's from the UK, and oh my gosh, I'm having so much fun with makeup lately that I'm really excited. So I'm just gonna blend it upward to just blend those two shades together. Now going into the shade Taurus from the Zodiac palette, I'm gonna take the back part of this brush and I'm just gonna blend a little bit more, blend that shade Potion. So now I'm going to cut the crease, and I think before I cut the crease, I'm going to remove the makeup, which is weird. I'm just going to cut my crease first with makeup remover. I know it sounds weird, but Rocio is the mastermind. She is the prime minister of blending, remember? I'm going to take this Almay What But Never Happened eye makeup remover. It's a liquid one. I'm just gonna pour some in the cap. My brush with it. And then I'm gonna cut it. So I'm just gonna So I'm gonna do this one right now real quick. I'm gonna cut it, and then do the other one off camera. Take this Bodyography Pro flat shader brush, and I'm just gonna coat both sides. And then I'm just gonna stamp it. So now I'm going to go back into that same brown shade from the Dream Street palette, which was Elfish, and I'm just going to blend the edges. To be honest, this is the second time I'm filming this tutorial, mostly because the first time I did it, I mean, I liked it, but I wasn't content with how it looked. I wasn't content with how it turned out in pictures. So I'm doing it different, and I'm liking how the crease and everything is looking much better now. I don't know. Last time I feel like it was just so muddy, so messy, and everybody was like, oh, it's cute, it's nice, I like it, but I just was not happy with it. So I recently purchased the Zodiac loose pigments from Colourpop, which was the collab between them and Kathleen Lights. Sorry if I'm looking down, I just don't want to look up because I don't want my concealer in my crease. I'm trying so hard, and oh my gosh, I messed up already. I'm gonna die. So I'm going to take this NYX Multitasker Medium, and I'm just going to take some of the loose pigments from the Zodiac collection in the shade The Twins, which is the Gemini sign. I am a Gemini, so I thought it was fitting. So I'm just going to take this mixing plate, and I'm going to put some of the loose pigment on it, just a little bit. Scoop some out. In the mixing medium, I'm just going to drop some on it. And now I'm just going to mix those two. So now coating the brush with the Twins and the mixing medium, I'm just going to go in the outer part of my lid. Now taking that same brush, I just cleaned it off. I'm going to go into the shade The Gemini from the Zodiac palette, which is this pretty gold, and I'm just going to put that in the indent corner of my lid, like right there where I left it bare. And just to blend those two shades together, I'm going to take the shade Twinkle from the Dream Street palette, and I'm just going to put that right in the center of those two shades. That is one eye done. Alright guys, so I'm going to be right back. I'm going to go do this other eye off camera. Alright guys, so I went ahead and did the other eye off camera, and of course I went ahead and did the rest of my face, I thought it was just kind of pointless to really show you everything else. Like, I used the NARS foundation, the oh, let me recap what I used. Hold on. After I went ahead and did the other eye, I went in with a new primer that, for me, it's not new, but it's new to me. It is the No PoreBlem Primer from Touch and Soul. It's this one right here. This is new to me. Excuse my ugly nails. Like, what is that? It's this one right here. And I got this in my BoxyCharm for the month of February, so I tried it on today, and oh my goodness, I'm living for how my skin is looking. Totally love it. For foundation, I went in with the NARS foundation, the Natural Radiant Longwear foundation in the shade Stromboli. I have not used this in a while, and oh my gosh, look at, I'm halfway through this bottle. What the heck? Somebody's been using my stuff. Just kidding. So for concealer, I went in with the Tarte. Then I went ahead and set my face and my under eyes using the Pretty Vulgar the Powder Room Mad About It translucent setting powder. Oh my goodness guys, I cannot talk enough about how amazing this powder is. It is one of my favorites. It's actually definitely my favorite powder that I have, that I own. It just sets my face so freaking smoothly. I love it. It's so amazing. If you have not tried it already, I totally recommend you purchase it. It's gonna blow your mind away. It's so freaking good. I hate buying powders because I hate the way sometimes they'll leave my skin, but this one I got it also in BoxyCharm. BoxyCharm hooks me up with the best things ever. Like, honestly, BoxyCharm is the way to go if you are not sure of what to buy when you go to the makeup store, because they be sending me all these great palettes and like products to use. So good. So BoxyCharm is definitely the way to go when you're like not really sure what to buy. But yes, this powder is so freaking amazing, so freaking good. I love it. Totally recommend it. So after that, wait, actually before I set my face, I contoured my face using the Wet n Wild contour stick. I really like the stick. It's just cream. Before I set my face, because I use like the foundation, you can use it with the cream product, but I use it with liquid foundation. Just go in, contour the areas, contour, then I blend it out, and then I go in and set my face. So I did that. For brows, I use the Brow Gel by Tanya Crooks, this one right here. I always use this. I've been using this for like the past year, and then I seem to not run out of it, honestly. Seriously, it looks like I barely use it. And then I went in with the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil in the shade number 6. Went in my eyebrows with that. I went ahead and set it with some brow gel from Elf, I believe. I did correct my under eye a little bit using the Mastercamo by Face Studio, actually Maybelline New York, the color correcting pen in Apricot, I believe. Yes, Apricot. And for highlight, I went in with this tiny little thing. This is a Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector. It is Champagne Pop. Oh my goodness. I think I went a little bit overboard. What do you guys think? I am obsessed with this tiny thing. I bought it this past Christmas, like, you know, the little ornaments that they sell during the Christmas season. I got it and I tried it out finally for like the first time like 2 weeks ago, and geez, amazing. I don't know why it took me so long to buy it. All right, so bronzer, I used the Benefit bronzer, Hoola Benefit bronzer, and for blush, I used this Bisou Sienna blush. Oh, and for lips, what did I use for lips? So I went ahead and underlined. That sounds weird. I lined my lips using the Colourpop lip pencil in the shade Rayezor, this one right here, and then I went in with the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in Soft Spoken. I love this shade. Oh, so freaking good. I love it. And I did set my face using the All Star Face Setting Spray from Colourpop. I love the mist on this. It's a bit aggressive. It's a bit aggressive, but I really like it. So yeah, guys, so I've changed shirt. As you can see, I put on a necklace. I put on these earrings. These earrings are from Nasty Gal. I ordered them online because I got a code saying that things were 80% off, and I was like, 80% off? You sold me. And I went to the website and they had all these cute earrings. I bought a shirt, a sweatshirt. It's green and it's so cute. I really like it. But it's warm. It's hella warm. Okay, I'm going off on the random things. But yeah, I bought some stuff and I bought these earrings and it's so cute. I love them. Like, I picture these earrings, not with this eye look, but I really like with this eye look. I just like them in general. I picture with a very dark, black, smoky, metallic eye look. I don't know. Do you guys picture that? I picture it. But anyways, I might try that later. And then I have this necklace that one of my friends sells. I'm pretty sure you'll have heard of the brand. Well, I had never heard of it before until she talked about it, but it's a brand called Paparazzi, and I think it's like, you can sell your own jewelry, but she had this necklace and it's so cute. It's 2 little heart. I love it. All right, guys, so enough talking. Let's finish off this eye look. I obviously just need to do my eyelashes and my lower lash line, so that is what we're gonna do right now. So why don't you guys just like scoot in again, because I need to get up close and personal to my lower lash line. Okay, so tell me this does not look amazing. It looks super good. Oh my gosh. Look at that freaking, oh, look at that pigment. So I'm going to insert a before picture in a little bit. Maybe when I zoom out of this eye look that I did before. I did do this eye look before, and I did film this entire video before also. I just was not happy with with the content. I was not happy at all with the result at all whatsoever. People were like, oh, it's so pretty, it's so cute, but I was just like, no, like this needs to be much more intense. And this time I was just like, you know what, we're gonna do this. I watched a video before I did this and I was like, okay, I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it, and I did it. And oh my gosh, I freaking love how this turned out. At first I was a bit like, oh, that, because the pigment, it didn't stick like that good to my lid using that mixing medium. But then I like went ahead and used some glitter glue, not glitter glue, some glitter adhesive, the ABH one. I put it on top, let it dry a little bit, not where it was like still runny, and then I went ahead and put the pigment, and that's why it looks so freaking intense now. Like before it didn't look that intense. It looked pretty, but now like whew, it looks intense and I love it. I live for it. Alright guys, so lower lash line time. I'm gonna go into the Dream Street palette. Obviously I'm gonna start with the darkest shade. Oh, hold on. So I didn't do a wing liner because I thought like, man, this don't need no wing liner. So I'm gonna go in with this Stila eyeliner, the Smudge Stick Waterproof Eyeliner in the shade Stingray. And I'm just gonna do the outer part of my lower lash line. I'm taking that shade Elfish, which is that brown, dark brown shade that we put all over the crease. I'm gonna take this like little brush and I'm just gonna pack some shade of it, some eyeshadow on it, and then just like tapping motions. Now going into Potion from the Dream Street palette, I'm gonna go in and just like blend it out the same way I did on the crease. And then going into Taurus, which is that shade in the Zodiac palette, I'm just gonna blend it out a little bit more. I took the little highlight champagne pot from Becca and I just took that and put it in the inner corner as a highlight and just connected it to my other colors in my lower lash line. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I went ahead and put on falsies and this one looks different than this one, but they're the same style. I don't know what happened. But yeah guys, this is a final look. What do you guys think? Oh my goodness, I love it so much. I think it's so pretty. So let me show you an after and before picture. This is a look that I had done already previously, but as you can see, it's not very vibrant. I don't really like it. I don't know, it just looked really messy to me and I was not happy with the outcome. So I sat down today and I decided to refilm it for you guys because I really wanted to be something that I was happy about, and I was not happy whatsoever. And today whew, like, oh my gosh, look at how that looks. Just looking down, it looks so freaking pretty. This freaking pigment is amazing. Oh my god, I'm so in love. I've never been in love with a line look that I've done so much than I am with this one. Look at that. It's so pretty. Alright guys, so tell me guys, what do you guys think? Do you guys have these pigments, these Zodiac pigments? Did you guys pick it up? I'm so excited to try the other ones. Oh my gosh. The Waterberry, the Aquarius sign one, the color, the blue. Oh my god, it looks so freaking pretty. And yes guys, so I'm really excited to keep playing with these pigments, with the Zodiac palette, and I obviously love how my skin is looking. I don't think it looked this good for a long time. I think this has to do with this primer. I think this primer helped. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you guys think of them. Do you guys have the pigments, these palettes? What do you guys think? Let me know. And please subscribe if you haven't already. I would really appreciate it. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!